Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Let's read a book.
Let's read a book.
Clean up your toys.
Clean up your toys.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
It's time to eat.
It's time to eat.
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
Give me a hug.
Give me a hug.
Put on your shirt.
Put on your shirt.
Give me a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Time to go to bed.
Time to go to bed.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Come here, please.
Come here, please.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Let's take a bath.
Let's take a bath.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
I love you.
I love you.
Where is your backpack?
Where is your backpack?
Do your homework.
Do your homework.
Put your things away.
Put your things away.
We are going shopping.
We are going shopping.
Please say thank you.
Please say thank you.
It's time to wake up.
It's time to wake up.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Let's play outside.
Let's play outside.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Please be quiet.
Please be quiet.
Time to go home.
Time to go home.
You did a great job.
You did a great job.
Go wash your face.
Go wash your face.
You need to share.
You need to share.
Can you open the door?
Can you open the door?
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Let's clean the room together.
Let's clean the room together.
That's not safe.
That's not safe.
Let's take a walk.
Let's take a walk.
You need to listen.
You need to listen.
Finish your vegetables, please.
Finish your vegetables, please.
You have to wait your turn.
You have to wait your turn.
Let's clean up before dinner.
Let's clean up before dinner.
It's raining. Grab an umbrella.
It's raining. Grab an umbrella.
You are very smart.
You are very smart.
It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
You are a good friend.
You are a good friend.
Let's pack your school bag.
Let's pack your school bag.
Can you turn the page?
Can you turn the page?
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.